I only made that noise because I was just bored. And I didn't want to leave. But anyways, I'm back. So here are all these games. They don't have a pet following me like I usually do. Because this is the pet room. Where I got like every single pet stuff. Well, not every single pet because I didn't buy like the stuff for the bat and stuff. But look at this. This just looks terrible. Okay, so I'm actually gonna change Sure Jazzy swag again. You see it has eyelashes. No, clear the whole freaking thing. I want to have Sir Bird. Yeah. Sir Bird. And I named Dapper Wagon, Ultra Pebble, Joyful Frost. But let me just get Sir Bird right here. Tricky Horse, River Chaser, Toy Tack, Reindeer because that reindeer came in the pack. Pirate Chaser, Ghost Bat, Vampire Bat, Puppy Dude, Zippy Joey, Crunchy Ton, Speedy Max, Ghost Pup, and Grumpy Paw, and River Paw. Well, yeah. What do I have? Should I be a unicorn? Yeah, I got that. Bunny pixel head. Pixelated bunny head. Yeah. Okay. I could actually do this. Keep my face black. And then get the other color. That's not the color. This one is. Okay. Then I get. I don't know what I get. Yeah, I'm super bored. And I bet you are too. Because these videos are terrible without anybody here. That actually looks nice. But, no. Should I just not say anything? Some of you are probably like, yes! And then the other people are like, I don't care. And then some people are just like, no. And then I'm like, I don't care. Yeah, look at that. No, that's not even how Sir Jazzy swag is supposed to look. No, what are those? Yeah, if you just take a look at the feet, you'll know what I'm talking about. Right freaking there. I told every freaking thing to get off. But apparently things don't listen. I really need to go over Nini's house. But I bet I know why they don't want me over there. It's because we always start screaming and stuff. And I bet that's 100% right. I should do a reacting video. No. This channel would be weird. It would be the worst channel ever. Well, it's not the worst channel, but it'll be super confusing. Because what am I supposed to do? Make weird videos and react to whatever. I actually want to be black. And I want this. And I want nothing. Nothing of this kind. Nothing. No. Freak it. Take it off. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing of the kind. Did I freaking say stars? No, I did not. I said nothing. That's what I hate about this Animal Jam. It just puts stuff on you when you don't want it. You don't freaking want it, but it's like, take it. No, I like Sir Jazzy Swag. Not Jaggy. What type of name is that? So here it is. And then I'm just gonna find the tail. No, that's stupid. No. I guess my tail's gonna do nothing. This is what Sir Jazzy Swag has became. Okay, yeah, please. I'm just gonna change my animal again. And the Twinkle Muddy Claw. Oh, right, I forgot that I had Zippy Joey. I thought his name was just Zippy Joe, but I guess not. When I had Crunchy Ton in one of my different houses, wait, no, it wasn't Crunchy Tom, it was Speedy Max. And he went to the butterfly place, and then he went over here to bother the dog place and get all angry and stuff. But we weren't supposed to be over there, so let's go. Let's stupid. I want to go to a fox party, and the bunnies only party, and the lemurs party are both freaking stupid. It's so boring. Nobody wants to be in there. But I'm gonna go anyways. Just cover that up. Nobody wants to see that. Howler monkeys or blah 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 blah. Yo, bro, yo, never get it, bro. What? That was stupid. Yo, bro, yeah. Yo, bro, yo, never get it, bro. Shut up. I'm just gonna leave. I would go jump, bro. Oh, I can. Now that person's about to leave. See, once I enter something, they just leave. People don't know who I am. Or do you know who I am? Like, people who play Animal Jams and subscribe to me who should know who I am. Is that my deer or hers? I don't know. Wild Arctic Shadow. Oh, that's a new bunny. Oh, there's Twinkle Posh Puppy. No, it's hers. I'm gonna change how I look because it's not freaking winter anymore. Well, it kind of still is, since winter break is coming up after Valentine's Day. And we have our, winter break is coming on, oh no, it's after Valentine's Day. It kind of never mind, let me just stop talking. Oh, let me just pause this. Actually, I'm gonna, dress up without recording. And then I'll press play again.